Hello students, welcome to chapter 10 vector algebra. Students, today I continue our example 24. Find the area of triangle given three vertices A111, B123 and C231. Generally students, you know area of triangle half into base into corresponding heights, either half into modulus D determinants. But that is in 2D. Here we are going in the 3D. So first of all, before I start this sum, I just introduced to you formula for area of triangle. So that is your triangle. Consider in the A, B and C available that in the 3D, A to B directions, B to C directions and C to A directions. A111, B I have here 1 to 3 and C is a 231. Students, formula first of all you by heart. Area of triangle ABC half with any two cross direction A to B either with B to C. BA CB also true. Next, either you can say BC cross CA, either CA cross AB. Students, you can write also AC and BA, CB and AC, all are correct. And these are out of 3 formula. You apply anyone. I apply here first one. So now I start students slowly A to B directions. B directions minus A position A. What is B positions? 1 to 3, 1 1 1. Which have to 1 minus 1 0. Second 2 minus 1 1. Now 3 minus 1 2. Similarly students, now I go to another BC. You can also write down CV. All are correct. Now BC is a C positions vector minus B position vector. Now what is a C? C is your 2 3 1 and C 2 3 1 and B students 1 2 3. Now create your answer. So 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2, yes 1, 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now I will start that. Therefore AB cross BC magnitude. The simple magnitude before I just calculate simple AB cross BC students. What is the AB? 0 1 2 cross 1 1 minus 2 and apply on it I J K. Here 0 1 2 and students here 1 1 minus 2 and start your process in the I minus J plus K and simplify on it. Here I minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Second, minus 2 with 0, 0. And here students minus 2. 2 ones are 2. Now last 0 minus 1. So you create your answer minus 4i plus 2j minus 1k. In short, minus 4, 2 minus 1. And now I get to cross product with magnitude. So students, now AB cross BC. Simply you can apply that 4 2 minus 1. So here 16 2 square 4 and 1, it is root 21. Students, if you calculate by this rule, either this same answer coming, anyone you take. So area of triangle ABC, which is half, I will check here magnitude AB cross BC. It will take half root 21 and that's your simple and easily formula. Now students, 25 example before I explain you 2 little theory. So I go to now 2 little theory. Area of parallelogram ABCD. Yes, area. This is a new topic. Area of parallelogram ABCD having 2 adjacent sides given, having 2 adjacent sides are A and B given. And second theory, area of parallelogram same but having two diagonals given. Diagonals directions given, students. Then you define area of parallelogram. So first of all, I both explain theoretical wise, after the numericals. So consider that's your area related to parallelogram, A to B, B to C, C to D. This A to B direction, B to C, C to D and D to A. Rotation complete. Here your adjacent A and that is adjacent B. So I create, students, one of the triangle, and triangle area already we know that by the rule of this any two cross products AB, BD, either DA. I will take DA and AB both cross, either AB and DA both cross, simple. And then after you will take, students, double, because this is also same, double and multiply 2, you will get area of parallelogram. So here, students, AB directions is A and DA directions is B. So area of triangle ABD has a rule for a triangle property any two cross. I will take here half A to B cross D to A, and the value is a half A cross B, statement 1. Now, students, I will take double because this area also same as to ABD and BCD. So area of parallelogram ABCD is a double of area of triangle ADB, either A, B, D. So value attached here 2 times half of A cross B. So these 2 and these 2 cancel. My answer is A cross B, statement number 2. And that is your, students, answer for having two adjacent sides given, then done area of parallelogram half in magnitude A cross B, not half, sorry, only magnitude A cross B. Now I same theory explain, but given its diagonal. Diagonal regarding, we will start and answer. So in the second theory, both of the IMB exam oriented. Sometime asking in exam, derive the area of parallelogram. Now second, area of parallelogram ABCD having both diagonals given. Diagonals A and B given. Students, the same drawing I will take. Here that A to B directions, B to C directions, C to D and D to A. But here, students, now I plot the diagonals related. There is the direction ending here, this ending is here, and this point is your middle point, because in a parallelogram diagonals are intersect at right angle, sorry, midpoint. And that's the, students, I will draw only this triangle AMB. Definitely it is your A by 2, this is your B by 2, midpoint, no? Yes, here 2 diagonals are given. Diagonal B, A to C is A and B to D is B. So students, you can take here AM, half of AC. You will take half of A. Same, students, BD, half of, yes, BD is total. The BM is what? BM is a half of B to D. So half of B. And now this are take to triangle AMB area. Here mention that AM is midpoint of both diagonal AC and BD. Students, I will take area of the triangle property A M B and take it formula. So area of triangle AMB, which is half AM into, yes, AM cross BM. So half AM known, A bar by 2. That is also B bar by 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 1 by 8. A cross B. Statement number 1. Now I want to fully area of parallelogram ABCD. Very easy. This is the one kind of area. That one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are equal into 4. Yes. So I will take finally area of parallelogram ABCD, which is answer 4 times area of triangle AMB, which is 4 times 1 by 8 A cross B. So my answer 4 2s are, that is a half of A cross B. And this formula you can operate whenever you given two diagonals of a parallelogram. And here without diagonal, only two adjacent sides. Look at that. What is difference that? Only half is difference. Without half, A cross B modulus, two adjacent sides given, and with diagonal half A cross B magnitude. Now I start, students, our example. Continue 25. Yes, two adjacent sides given and define area of a parallelogram. Very easy. So I just only draw the figure. Example 25. These are the parallelogram. Consider A to B directions, B to C directions, C to D and D to A. Here are two adjacent sides A and B. Yes, two adjacent sides A and B given and define your area. Very easy. I just given the A, 3I plus J plus 4K, and second I minus J K, and find out area of parallelogram. Very easy, students. You will take first of all A cross B in the magnitude wise. A cross B value. A I have 3 1 4 here, 3 1 4, and second 1 minus 1 and 1, and going simple I J K. Students, here I J K process. 3 1 4, 1 minus 1 1, and calculate simple answer. So my answer is, students, I minus J and K. So I related 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 minus 4, that plus 4. Secondly 3 minus 4, and last minus 3 minus 1. So students, it is 5I plus 1J minus 4K, and now take, students, A cross B magnitude. 5 1 minus 4. Actually it is calculated by simple magnitude. So 5 square 25, here 1 and here 16, it means 26 and, students, 16. Yes, 6 and 6 12, 1, it is 42, and that is root 42. That is your, students, area of parallelogram. Yes, this actually already I explained in the previous theory. Both are multiplied that. So area of parallelogram ABCD is what? Root 42, and that's your, students, simple way your answer done. Now students, here 25 example done. Now I go to our exercise. Yes, exercise 10.4, and slowly students, I going ahead in 10.4 wise. Very easy. Exercise 10.4. Find the magnitude of A cross B having A and B given. Yes, same questions. Find in magnitude A cross B, if A directions I minus 7j plus 7k vector and B is 3i minus 2j plus 3i minus 2j plus 2k. Very easy. Actually here you given that A cross B, A I have 1 minus 7 cross B is 3 minus 2 2, and start your process ijk. And what is your ijk value? 1 minus 7. Similarly 3 minus 2 and 2. And now students, you start ijk solutions by your determinants. So this answer is in the bracket I minus in the bracket j and in the bracket k. Now process apply. Here I with the 7 to the 14 plus 7 to the 14, indirectly 0. Second j with the 2, 7 3s are 21, 2 1s are 2, minus 7 3s are 21, and last here minus 2 plus 21. So your data is 0i plus 19j plus 19k. So students, 0, 19 and 19. Again check, it is minus 19, indirectly here plus, here also plus 19. And now I want to modulus. So modulus A cross B, which is 19 common, 0, 1 and 1. Students, here you take 19 common, a best way, easily calculations. So your answer is 19, 0 square, 1 square, 1 square. It will be 19 root 2. And that's your simple way. Your first question is happily done here. Now I go to continue students. Question number 2. Find the unit vector perpendicular to both A plus B and A minus B. First I write properly our questions. Yes. Question number 2. Find unit perpendicular vector. Yes, find unit perpendicular vector to A plus B to next given A minus B. Well, A is given clearly and B also given, 3i plus 2j plus 2k, and second I plus 2j minus 2k. Again check, 3 2 2 and 1 2 minus 2. Students, first of all I clearly about what is the unit perpendicular vector. Unit perpendicular vector means nothing students, that is your vector A plus B, and secondly A minus B, and both of you take exactly perpendicular. Look at that, this is your A plus B vector and that is your A minus B vector, and both of cross you can create third, this one, it is your unit perpendicular vector. It means that exactly perpendicular that A plus B cross A minus B. But unit perpendicular vector, it is a two kind of vector, one of the in same direction, either in opposite direction. So this answer if I consider R, so this answer also in minus R, positive, negative. Okay, first I start A plus B. A known you 3 2 2 plus 1 2 minus 2, and both of added. So 3 plus 1 4 0. And next say A minus B. A I have 3 2 2 minus 1 2 minus 2, and then calculate. So 3 minus 1 here 2, 2 minus 2 0, and 2 plus 2 students 4. Again check, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, and 2 plus 2 total 4. Now I start that one, cross products. So R vector is a consider A plus B cross A minus B and start your process in cross products. Students, here 440 cross 204 and you will take I J K 440 and 204 and simple and easily you can solution by the determinants. Here I minus J plus K and value. I value have 4 for the 16 minus 0. J I have 16 minus 0 and last 0 4 to the 8. So students, your answer is 16I minus 16J minus 8K. Indirectly 16 minus 16 minus 8, 16 minus 16 and minus 8. And that also you will take common, students. 8 2s are minus 2s and minus 1. Now I will take both magnitude. Easily get this unit vector perpendicular to that. So now I take in the modulus value. So therefore R magnitude, which have to 8 common outside, 2 minus 2 minus 1, it will take 2 square 4, 4 and 1, it is root 9, 3 is 24. Now students, unit vector perpendicular to both is done perpendicular. Now either positive either negative, both I explain. So last write required unit perpendicular vector in the same direction either in opposite direction. So R cap plus or minus R by modulus R, plus or minus by written either in same direction either in opposite directions. And R modulus already known you, 16 minus 16 minus 8 by and modulus R 24. Students, here you common take 8, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 minus 1 by 24, 8 3s. So your answer is finally plus or minus 2 by 3I minus plus 2 by 3J and minus plus 1 by 3K. This answer 2 by 3 minus plus 1 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 are the our unit perpendicular to vector. Again repeat, unit means nothing, that's your A plus B, that A minus B, exactly perpendicular that. And that I derive, yes students, this answer. Now I continue. Yes, next third question is a most IMP question in exam oriented. Third is IMP, many time asking in final exam. Yes, question is question third, tick mark in very most IMP. And my question is, yes, if unit vector A is making angle with I pi by 3, with I pi by 3, with J pi by 4 and with K acute angle theta, then find your value for theta and element of A. Find theta and A elements. So A is a unit vector given and the elements I just students assumption A comma B comma C. Yes, this is a 3 marks questions. So suppose required unit vector A, I just assumption A comma B comma C belongs to RQ. If with the unit vector necessary magnitude is 1. And what is the magnitude? ABC. You know that. Very simple. an easy way, I just calculate in under root a square b square c square. So your answer is a square b square c square is equal to 1. That's the equation number 1. Our first equation done. Now I respectively start one step a with pi by 3 with I, with j pi by 4 and with k acute angle theta. So now I first, if a angle with I angle made the angle is pi by 3, it means cos theta. Apply that. Cos a with I is a cos pi by 3 and cos 60 you know how much? Half. Yes, correct thinking you. And apply here a dot I by magnitude a magnitude I, and that is half. Now respectively 1 by 1 all value students I put down there and define one smallest value of a. So a I have a b c I 1 0 0 and students determinant, I mean magnitude of a and magnitude of I already you know 1 1, it is half. Now first value is done. Here half only write down I. So it is a plus 0 plus 0. Your answer is a half. That's the first equation number 2. A done. Now I b create. Similarly students, I going ahead also same explain to angle between a with j is how much? Pi by 4. Read here in these questions, j with pi by 4. So students, here cos of angle a with j, cos pi by 4 and cos 45 you know 1 by root 2. Here a dot j by magnitude a magnitude j, and magnitude a I have students a b c 0 1 0 by 1 1, it is 1 by root 2. So my answer is 0 b 0. So what is the b? 1 by root 2. That's your equation number students, third. Now next one, this is the 1 by root 2 students. Now continue. I going to third case with k is acute angle theta. So also you will start in the same way. A with j, I mean k, sorry, is angle theta, but acute. Acute means your answer must be between 0 to 90. And here students, cos a with k is a cos theta. So a dot k magnitude a magnitude k is a cos theta, and attach your value. So students, a b c k I have 0 0 1 and magnitude also you know that it is 1, so that becomes 0 0 c cos theta. It means cos theta is equal to c. Now you wait students, that is equation number 4. This 2 3 and 4 I attach in here 1 and you will get value of c. So from 1 a square b square c square is equal to 1. Here a square, what the a is half, b is 1 by root 2 and c as it is a cos square theta. Students, here c square is a cos square theta. Now answer 1 by 4 1 by 2 cos square theta. So your data cos square is a 1 minus 1 by 4 1 by 2. And LCM, yes, my LCM is a 4 minus 1 minus 2 by 4. It is 1 by 4. So easily you can create your first data is done students here. But look at that, in your question asking the acute angle, it means only I positive angle take. Cos square theta is a 1/4. So cos theta plus or minus half. If theta is acute, so you will take cos theta half. But if you obtuse, then minus half. So theta is done cos inverse half, which is pi by 3, 60 degree. Textbook sum done. But if you obtuse, theta is obtuse, then students cos theta you will take minus half. Here minus half, not 2, it is minus half. So theta is a pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. And at the end of here, last answer also asking theta. This is the extra, students. If you obtuse, then you mention. Now required vector A. And what here A, students? A comma B comma C. A you known here, half. B is a 1 by root 2. And students, C is already known you. How much C? Cos theta. And cos theta is a half taking for the acute. And this answer is, students, for this question is easily and happily done. Now students, here, yes, up to that third questions I finished this part, and further explanation, students, I explain you in the next parts. Bye bye.